All right, so welcome back. This is the farming portion of Golden Legion Honey. So we are working on a 1919 farmhouse. We are in northern Texas, north of Dallas, north of McKinney. So here's what we're doing. We are carefully removing this tongue and groove wall because this is from 1919. So you can see here, got a little bit of burn on it, but here's the tongue and groove. So there's the groove, there's the tongue, and we're just being real careful to preserve it as much as possible. We got this fill tested. It's not asbestos. But you can see here where there was a house fire. So when we bought the property, we basically got the house for free. So here's what we're doing. So you can kind of see here. And this is the original beadboard ceiling. I'm trying to save as much of the old wood as possible. These are the original beams here. They built everything with nails. You can see the original. Well, this is probably the second or third layer of wall covering. You can see some nice flowers there. That's a good indication this is all beadboard. Yeah, but this is probably a good half-inch beadboard. I don't know if you can see that there. And then here we go. So this is the original beadboard, and then the rest of the house. So we're gonna have to gut all this, but very nice blue beadboard ceiling. Got some nice beadboard here. Bay windows probably gonna come out, and then you got these planks, solid planks. These are probably 6 or 8 by 20. I mean, these are big planks. These are the original planks. So I'm gonna try to get those out as best as I can. We have a wall here. Got to be careful. There's nails on the floor. So we already stripped all this out. The fire started over here. You can get a better light. You can see up there in the corner. But we're going to take this out. Probably going to extend it even further out to where that garage is. Got a little house going. Got a trailer. There's a horse arena back there. The shop. And there's the arena. It's a really nice property. You go down there, there's a pond, and then the beehives are straight up through there. But just give you a little tour here. Here's the wood that I've saved so far. And here's the really long pieces of wood that we've saved. There's some other wood. It might not be salvageable, but who knows? We got some beadboard here. There's the pantry. We had some left over. Here's my unique bathroom situation. Since there's no water and no power, you run a hose, you run a bucket, and fill the bucket halfway. Dump it in the commode when you're done. There's the actual bowl, and it will flush. So if you're ever in a place with no water, that's how you can flush a toilet. So you can see, got really smoky in here. There was a possible metal ceiling, maybe plastic up there. This is what's left of the refrigerator. Got kind of melty. So we're gonna blow this wall out and then hopefully expand on it. And then here's the rest. This was added in the 60s. But so there you have it. Would anyone like some pie? That has been there since January. It's been slowly deteriorating ever since. So there you have it. This is the update. It is November 3rd, I believe. I'm just seriously starting on demo after the after work. So it's just kind of a after work deal. We're gonna put a you can see up there's a hole in the ceiling. I'm gonna patch that. I'm gonna probably put a staircase here up and then get a second floor going. This was a nursery, but so you can see my brother-in-law Brian got a bunch of this ripped out. So we're just getting all the exterior walls torn out so they can spray foam, push this whole wall out, and good to go. I'm going to flip this around since I can't flip it around normally. Hopefully you guys can see me okay. So I got gloves, got my respirator. Even though it's not asbestos, I don't want to be breathing this crap in from 100 years. So that's it. Just wanted to give you all an update. And like and subscribe, really help us out. I got a Patreon going now. I'll link it below. So anything you can do to help would really be appreciated. Thanks again. I'll get some beekeeping videos uploaded soon. It's getting a little cold here. It's going to be up in the 30s tonight. So thanks again.